Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and explain to you exactly how to reset any of your Xbox One consoles. Now, this can be extremely important because you might be getting your Xbox Series X or S and you probably want to go and reset it and maybe sell it off. Now, in order to do this, what I'm going to tell you before is to back up everything on your Xbox that you may need. You might write down any emails, your gamer tags, your passwords if you want to write them down, anything like that, including your games. You back up everything that you can from your console in case, transferring it doesn't work or whatever the case is. At least you can still have your backups to rely on. So once you have backups made, what you want to do is when you're on your console, you want to go ahead and click on your Xbox button to open up the Xbox guide. Now you want to scroll down and click Profile and System, and you want to go into your settings. And you can also get here from going into your home screen and clicking Settings. Now here you want to go and click on System, and you want to go and click on Console Info. So once you go ahead and click those things, there'll be an option called Reset Console. So once you go ahead and click that, it'll basically tell you, it'll give you a couple of different options. It'll go ahead and tell you reset and remove everything. It'll go ahead and say reset and keep my games and apps. And then it'll go ahead and say cancel. So in this case, you have to ask yourself, are you continue to, use this console? Are you going to use it yourself? And do you want to keep everything on it? You just want to kind of remove things that you may not need, but it'll still keep your games and apps? Then you want to click on the second option. This way you can go and still keep all your games and apps and everything. It'll just reset things like in networks and all that crazy stuff that you guys already know about, OS updates, stuff like that. It'll go ahead and delete those. It'll just be your games and your apps. And I'm pretty sure it'll go ahead and remove your saves and all that stuff. So it's probably just going to be like a bare stock games and apps that you have. But if you want to delete everything off this console, I'm talking about literally every single thing, then you probably want to click that first option. And I think that's what a majority of people are probably wanting. You want to remove everything off your console. So in this case, you want to go and click on the first option. And this will basically take it back to factory setting options. And this will delete everything, including your user data, accounts, saved games, settings, Xbox associations, whatever that is, and all the games and apps that you have in your console. This will delete everything. So I'm pretty sure that's what a lot of you guys want to do. But like I said, you may want to back up everything before you delete it, but that's really pretty much the process. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything also, every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.